Hi students, good evening to one and all. Now welcome back our favorite video channel HGVS BRK. Now this time we have to discuss GMAS 2021 July 25th Shift 2 paper. So in this paper we have to discuss mathematics problems which are came in very easiest sums. So in that one the first problem is if a matrix P equal to 1 0 1 by 2 1, then to find P power 50. So here we take the matrix P. First of all we have to find P square. So P square means P into P, that is 1 0 1 by 2 1 into 1 0 1 by 2 1. Now here multiply with these two, then we write 1 into 1 1 plus 0, that is 1. So this is 0. 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2. This is 1. Similarly to find P cube, here we write P square into P. Now P square matrix is 1 0 2 by 2 1 into P matrix is 1 0 1 by 2 1. So here multiply with these two and we write 1 0 2 by 2 into 1 2 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2. Then we write 3 by 2. Similarly, the fourth element is 1. Similarly, to find P power 4 also, P power 4 into P cube into P. Here we write P cube into P. Now here we write 1 0 3 by 2 1 into 1 0 1 by 2 into 1. Here also multiply with these two, then we write 1 0 4 by 2 1. 1 0 4 by 2 1. Now we observe that in that the second row first element, this is 2 by 2, 3 by 2, 4 by 2 up to some P power 5, 5 by 2, P power 6, 6 by 2 up to and so on. Now in generalize P power n equals to, here we write 1 0 n by 2 1. Now in place of n we substitute the value 50, which implies P power 50. P power 50 means 1 0, 50 by 2 means 25 and 1. So this is our answer. So here we generalize this type of matrices and we write P power n equals to 1 0 n by 2 1. Then we write P power 50 equal 1 0 25 1. This is the answer. Now the second one. Here this problem will came in vector algebra. So here also we have to observe, given mod a bar plus b bar, that is 8, and mod a bar equal to 2 and mod b bar equal to 5, then to find mod a bar dot b bar. So here we observe in that problem, first we take mod a bar cross b bar, that value is 8. Now here the formula of a bar cross b bar is mod a bar dot mod b bar into sin theta. So this is the formula for a bar plus b bar. That value will be given, that is 8. Now in that we write mod a bar already given 2 into mod b bar is 5 into sin theta equal to 8. From this one sin theta value, to find sin theta, 2 1 ja 2 4 ja, so 4 by 5. So sin theta is 4 by 5. Now using sin theta, then cos theta value. Cos theta equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. That means square root of 1 minus 16 by 25. That is 9 by 25. This is plus or minus 3 by 5. Plus or minus 3 by 5. Now we take mod cos theta. That is only 3 by 5. Here to find mod a bar dot b bar. Now the formula of a bar dot b bar is mod a bar into mod b bar into mod cos theta. Here mod is there. Now we write mod individually. Now the value of mod a bar is 2, mod b bar is 5 and mod cos theta value is 3 by 5. Now here 5 5 cancel, 2 into 3 is 6. So this is our answer. This is the mod a bar dot b bar. Similarly, third one. this is the functions topic. If f of x from a to b and g of x from b to c are defined such that g of f of x whole inverse exists, then fx and gx. So here individual the functions fx and gx are which type of functions? So in first option 1 1 and onto function, in second option many one and onto function, in third one 1 1 and into function, in fourth one many one and into function. First of all we have to observe fx and gx are two functions, and in that the codomain of f of x clearly equal to the domain of g of x, and here we exist g circle f from a to c. Here the composite function we write g circle f from a to c. So this is also one type of function, but in that problem the given condition is g circle f of x whole inverse. So here inverse must be exist if and only if the given composite function is compulsory bijection. So here any function is inverse, first of all that function is bijection. Bijection means 1 1 and onto. So compulsory g circle f of x will be 1 1 and onto function. Now in that composite function the individual functions fx and gx. First of all the individual functions are also must be 1 1 and onto. That means these two are bijections. So clearly bijections means any function both 1 1 and onto, then the type of function is called bijection. So in that first we take fx from a to b and gx from b to c. In that we write g circle f from a to c is a function, and also in that condition in our problem the given condition is g circle f of x whole inverse exists. Now in that it will be exists, which implies g circle f of x is bijection. So is bijection. That means in the composite function the individual functions f of x and g of x both are 1 1 and onto. That means individual functions are bijections. So this is our answer. In that one first option is the correct answer, both 1 1 and onto. So next one. So this is quadratic expressions. The number of real solution. Here to find the number of real solutions. First of all we take the given equation x square minus mod x minus 12 equal 0. Now here we write mod x whole square minus mod x minus 12 equal to 0. Now in that one we have to factorize this one. Here we write mod x whole square minus 4 into mod x plus 3 into mod x minus 12 equal to 0. Now it can simplify that mod x minus 4 into mod x plus 3. So that value will be equal to 0. Now here we take mod x minus 4 equal to 0 or mod x plus 3 equal to 0. In that one mod x equal to 4 or mod x equal to minus 3. Clearly we observe. So absolute value of x compulsory, which is positive. Now here mod x is not equal to minus 3. So which is not possible. Which is not possible. Then we observe that mod x equal to 4 means x equal to plus or minus 4. X equal to plus or minus 4. Now x equal to plus 4 is one solution. X equal to minus 4 is one solution. Clearly we write this is real numbers. Now in that one the number of real solutions are 2. Therefore in that number of real solutions equal to 2. Now in our options, option 4 is the correct answer. So this is the solution. Now the next problem, here given a plus b plus c equal to 1 AB plus BC plus CA equal 2 and ABC equal 3. Here to find A power 4 plus B power 4 plus C power 4. Now first we take the first condition. A plus B plus C equal to 1. Now squaring on both sides. Then we write A plus B plus C whole square equal to 1. Now we can simplify A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. So here 1 square means 1. This is also 1. Now in that we write A square plus B square plus C square equal to, in that AB plus BC plus CA value is 2. So 2 2 is 4. 1 minus 4, that equal to minus 3. Now A square plus B square plus C square equals to minus 3. Now which is equation 1. And we take AB plus BC plus CA and AB plus BC plus CA, that value is 2. Now here we take squaring on both sides. AB whole square plus BC whole square plus CA whole square plus 2 into AB into BC. That means AB into BC plus BC into CA, BC into CA plus AB into CA. That value will be equals to 2 square means 4. Now squaring on both sides, in right side also 2 square, that is 4. Now clearly we write A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. And here we take common ABC in each and every term. We write 2 into ABC into A plus B plus C equal to 4. Now in that we write A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. Here ABC value will be given, that is 3. 2 3 is 6 into A plus B plus C value, that is the first kind is 6 into 1, that equal to 4. Now here we write A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square equal to 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. Now this is equation 2. Now we take equation 1 and again squaring on both sides. From 1, A square plus B square plus C square equal to minus 3. Again squaring on both sides. A power 4 plus B power 4 plus C power 4 plus 2 into A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. Minus 3 whole square means 9. So here A power 4 plus B power 4 plus C power 4 equal to 9 minus 2 into A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. From equation 2, that value will be minus 2. So totally 9 plus 4, that is 30. So this is our final answer. So once again I will explain. So here we take for the first condition and squaring on both sides. Then we get A square plus B square plus C square equals to minus 3. And we take the second condition AB plus BC plus CA equal to 2. And also here we take squaring on both sides and simplifying that. Then we write A square plus B square plus B square plus C square plus C square plus C square A square. A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square value is minus 2. Now this is equation 2. Now here we take equation 1 and again squaring on both sides. Then we write A power 4 plus B power 4 plus C power 4 plus 2 into A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. That value equals to minus 3 whole square means 9. Now here we substitute the value of this one. Using equation 2, the value is minus 2. Then we write 9 minus 2 into this value is minus 2. So 9 plus 4, that means 13. This is the final solution. Now the next problem. Here given NPR equal to NPR plus 1. First we take that condition. Now we write n factorial by n minus r factorial equals to NPR plus 1 means n factorial by n minus of r plus 1 factorial. Now here n factorial cancel. 1 by n minus r factorial equals to 1 by n minus r plus 1 means n minus r minus 1 factorial. Here we write 1 by n minus r into n minus r minus 1 factorial equals to 1 by n minus r minus 1 factorial. Here these two will be cancelled. Then we write n minus r equal to 1. So this is the equation 1. Now the second condition, NCR equal to NCR minus 1. Now which implies here we write n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Here we write n factorial by n minus of r minus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial. Here n factorial cancel. And also here we write 1 by n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial. In right side we write n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial. So r minus 1 factorial will be cancelled on both sides. Then we write 1 by n minus r factorial into, here this is r into r. Then we write 1 by, here we write n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. Here n minus r factorial will be cancelled on both sides. Then we take n minus r plus 1 equal to r. Here we write n plus 1 equal to 2r. This is equation 2. Now from this one, 1 and 2, so here in the equation 1, here we write n minus 1 equal to r. Now we take 1 by 2, which implies n minus 1 by n plus 1 equal to r by 2r. R will be cancelled. Then we write n minus 2 into n minus 1 equal to n plus 1. Here we write 2n minus n is n. So 1 minus 2 means we can take right side plus 2. So that value will be equal to n equal to 3. So here to find n, that is 3. First of all, it can simplify in npr equal to npr plus 1. Then we get the value is n minus 1 equal to r, which is equation 1. Similarly, we take NCR equal to NCR minus 1, and it can simplify in that we get the value n plus 1 equal to 2r. Here we take NCR equal to NCR minus 1. Now that means NCR minus 1 by NCR equals to 1. Here we write n minus r plus 1 by r equal to 1. From that one, n minus r plus 1 equal to r. So that means n plus 1 equal to 2r. So that is the final value. So using this shortcut formula and simplifying NCR equal to NCR minus 1. So this is equation 2 and which is equation 1. And we take 1 by 2 and we get the value of n equal to 3. Now first we take cot theta. Cot theta means here we write cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. Here multiply with cos theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta, and also multiply with 2 also. Then we write 2 cos square theta by 2 sin theta cos theta, that is sin 2 theta. 2 cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. Now in that one, put theta equal to pi by 24, which implies cot pi by 24 equals to 1 plus cos 2 into pi by 24 by sin 2 into pi by 24. Now here we write 1 plus cos pi by 12 by sin pi by 12. 1 plus cos pi by 12 by sin pi by 12. Now here the value is 1 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. 1 plus cos pi by 12 value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. And also sin pi by 12 value is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. And simplifying, this is 2 root 2 into 1. 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by, here this is root 3 minus 1. Now we are rationalized with conjugate factor, that is 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Now it can simplifying. Here we write 2 root 2 into root 3. 2 root 6. 2 root 2 into 1 plus 2 root 2. Plus here multiply with root 3. Root 3 into root 3. 3. Root 3 into 1 root 3. Similarly 1 into root 3. Root 3. 1 into 1 plus 1. Total whole by. Here this is a square minus b square. So root 3 whole square minus 1 square. That is 3 minus 1. That is 2. Here we write 2 root 6. This is root 3 plus root 3. 2 root 3. This is 2 root 2. 3 plus 1 4 by 2. And we take common 2 and dividing with 2. Cancel 2. The value is root 6 plus root 3 plus root 2 plus 2. So this is our final value. Now the next problem. Here to find negation of the statement. So this is mathematical reasoning question. Here given statement is, we will play football only if ground is not wet and there is no sunlight. Here the given compound statement is, we will play football only if. Here the connectivity only if can be denoted as implies. So first we consider the first statement, we will play football. Let P equal to we will play football. Similarly, only if can be denoted as implies. And ground is not wet. So here consider ground is not wet will be Q. So ground is not wet. Similarly, and there is no sunlight. One more statement is there, that is, it will be considered as R. So there is no sunlight. So in the compound statement, 3 individual simple statements are there. So here first we'll write, it can be in symbolic form, that is P implies. Here and connectivity can be denoted as this one. So P implies Q and R. P implies Q and R. This is the symbolic form of the given compound statement. Now here we take negation of P implies Q and R. Negation of P implies Q and R. Now which is clearly logical equivalent. P and negation of Q and R. P and negation of Q and R. Now that is P and negation Q or negation R. Negation Q or negation R. So now here we write P. P means we will play football. We will play football. And negation Q. Negation Q. Q means ground is not wet. That means negation Q means ground is wet. Ground is wet. And there is no sunlight. Sunlight is there. So negation R. R is there is no sunlight. Negation R means there is sunlight. So here the connectivity is R. So R, there is sunlight. So we will play football and ground is wet or there is sunlight, or here we change. First we write there is sunlight or ground is wet and we will play football, or ground is wet and we will play football, or there is sunlight. Now we have to take any one of the first one. So this is the solution for this question. Similarly, in that one, if the coefficient of x power 7 and x power 8 in the binomial expansion 2 plus x by 3 power n are equal. Now in the given expansion is 2 plus x by 3 power n. In that, to find coefficient of x power 7 and x power 8. First we write general term tr plus 1. So tr plus 1 means, here we write ncr into 2 power n minus r into x by 3 power r. X by 3 power r. This is the general term of the given expansion. So in that we take r equal to, here we write x power 7. So to find coefficient of x power 7. Now we take r equal to 7. Put r equal to 7. Then we write t7 plus 1 equal to nc7 2 power n minus 7 into 1 by 3 whole power 7 into x power 7. Similarly, we take r equal to 8, we write t8 plus 1, that is nc8 2 power n minus 8 into 1 by 3 power 8 into x power 8. Now we observe, this is the coefficient of x power 7, this is the coefficient of x power 8. Now these two are equal. Now equating these one, since coefficients of x power 7 and x power 8 are equal, then we write nc7 into 2 power n minus 7 into 1 by 3 whole power 7 equal to nc8 2 power n minus 8 into 1 by 3 whole power 8. Now it can simplify in that. First we write nc7 means n factorial by n minus 7 factorial into 7 factorial. Here this is 2 power n minus 7. So the by 3 power 7. Here we write n factorial by n minus 8 factorial into 8 factorial into 2 power n minus 8 by 3 power 8. Now in that n factorial will be cancelled. Here we write 2 power n minus 7 by, here we write n minus 7 into n minus 8 factorial. Similarly, here we can write 7 factorial. In right side also we write 2 power n minus 8 by n minus 8 factorial into 8 factorial means 8 into 7 factorial into 1 by 3 power 8. Now in that we observe n minus 8 factorial, n minus 8 factorial will be cancelled, 7 factorial also cancelled. Now we write, so here 2 power n also cancelled. Here we write 2 power n minus 7 by 2 power n minus 8 equals to, here we take n minus 7 to right side, n minus 7 by 8 into 3 power 8. Here also in that 3 power 7 is there. So here 3 power 7 is there. Now it can simplify that. 2 power n minus 7 power can be taken to denominator. Then we write 1 by 2 power n cancel, minus 8 plus 7, that is 2 power minus 1 into 3 power 7 equals to, here we write n minus 7 by 8 into, here we write 3 power 7 into 3. Now 3 power 7 will be also cancelled. Then we write n minus 7 equals to 2 inverse means 2. 2 into 8, 16. 16 3 jam 48. That means n equal to 48 plus 7. This is 55. So this is our answer. N equal to 55. So here we take general term in the binomial expansion, that is NCR into 2 power n minus r into x by 3 whole power r. In that we write r equal to 7, then we get coefficient of x power 7, that is NC7 2 power n minus 7 into 1 by 3 power 7. Similarly, we take r equal to 8, then we get coefficient of x power 8. These are equal already in the given problem. The condition is coefficients are equal. Then we take coefficients. So here it can be written as n factorial by n minus 7 into n minus 7 factorial into 7 factorial, 2 power n minus 7 by 3 power 7. In right side, n factorial by n minus 8 factorial into 8 factorial into 2 power n minus 8 by 3 power 8. And it can be simplified in that we get the value of n is 55. This is the solution. Now the next problem, if the vectors I bar plus k bar, bi bar plus bj bar plus ck bar and ai bar plus aj bar plus bk bar are coplanar. So which is IP equation. Now we take determinate condition. Now here we write determinant of I bar coefficient is 1, k bar coefficient is 1, j bar coefficient is 0. In second vector, this is B, this is B, this is C. In third vector, this is A, this is A, this is B. Now, the given three vectors are coplanar, therefore the determinant equals to 0. Now it can be simplifying. Here we write 1 into B square minus AC. Now the second one, minus 0. 0 into B square minus AC. So that is 0 plus 1 into, here we write AB minus AB. Clearly we observe in that B square minus AC, this is 0, this is 0. Total value will be equals to 0. Now from this one, B square equal to AC. So this is our condition. Now in that first option is the right answer. Similarly in the second one, the given two lines are coplanar. Now we take x1, y1, z1. x1, y1, z1 means here we write k, 2, 3. Similarly, x2, y2, z2. The point is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now here a1 equals to a1, b1, c1. These are DRs of first line. That equal to 1, 2, 3. A2, B2, C2. That are second DRs of the second line. 3, 2, 1. Our condition is these two lines are coplanar. Now we take determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. The first line DRs a1, b1, c1 can be taken as second row. Second line DRs a2, b2, c2 can be taken as third row. That value will be equals to 0. Now from this one, x2 minus x1. So here we take x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, or x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, z1 minus z2 also. Now here we write x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, z1 minus z2. Now these are also DRs of the given 2 points. Now x1 minus x2, k minus of minus 1, k plus 1. Here 2 plus 2. So this is k plus 1, 2 plus 2. Tarvata. After 3 plus 3. Now the second row is 1, 2, 3. Third row is 3, 2, 1. Now equating to 0. Now it can simplifying. This is 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. Minus 4 into k plus 1. Similarly in that we have to write 1 1 is 1, minus 9. 1 minus 9 means minus 8. Minus 8 into minus 4, that is plus 32. In that we write 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. Minus 4 into 6, minus 24. That value will be equals to 0. This is minus 4k, minus 4 plus 32, minus 24 equals 0. Now we write 4k equals to 32 minus 28. 32 minus 28, that is 4. So in that k value equals to 1. So this is the value of k. Now we take the determinant condition. Determinant of x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, z1 minus z2. Now these are 2 points k, 2, 3 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These are 2 points. These are ds of first line and these are ds of second line. Now we take these values in the determinant and simplifying that, we get the value of k equals to 1. Similarly, the next question. If x bar and y bar are two vectors such that mod x bar equal to mod y bar and mod x bar minus y bar equals to n into mod x bar plus y bar, then the angle between x bar and y bar. Now here also first we take mod x bar minus y bar equals to n into mod x bar plus y bar. Now in that we write mod x bar minus y bar squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Now we write mod x bar square plus mod y bar square minus 2 into mod x bar into mod y bar into cos theta. In that we write n square into mod x bar square plus mod y bar square plus 2 into mod x bar into mod y bar into cos theta. Now here we take mod x equal to mod y. Then we write mod x bar square plus mod y bar square. In place of mod y bar square can be taken as mod x bar square. Then we write 2 into mod x bar square. Here this is minus 2 into mod x bar into mod y bar. Mod x bar square into cos theta. Here also we write n square into 2 into mod x bar square plus this is we write 2 into mod x bar square into cos theta. Now in that we take common mod x bar square and cancelling on both sides, then we write 2 minus 2 cos theta equal to, here also we write 2n square plus 2n square cos theta. Here we write divide with 2 also, 1 minus cos theta equal to n square plus n square cos theta. Now we write n square into 1 plus cos theta. So here also multiply with that. So in that we write 1 minus cos theta equal to n square plus n square cos theta. Now in that we write n square cos theta, we take minus cos theta to right side, that is plus cos theta. Here we write 1 minus n square. In that we take common cos theta, n square plus 1 into cos theta equal to 1 minus n square. Then we write cos theta value is 1 minus n square by n square plus 1. Here angle between, theta is the angle between the vectors x bar and y bar. Then we write theta equal to cos inverse of 1 minus n square by n square plus 1. So this is the solution for this question. Now directly we have to take the given equation x bar minus y bar equal to n into mod x bar plus y bar. We take squaring on both sides and simplifying that, then we get cos theta value 1 minus n square by n square plus 1. In that we write theta value will be equals to cos inverse of 1 minus n square by n square plus 1. This is the solution. So these are the 12 sums given in shift 2 25th July paper. The remaining sums will be continued in the next video. First of all, prepare these 2 sums, these 12 sums, and wish you all the best.